Hey everyone, I'm Bianca Jordan, immigration lawyer at Brazen Legal, where I help immigrants nationwide to get green cards and other legal status without leaving the United States. If you want me to help you with your immigration case, then the first step is to call my office at 508 942 7497 for a consultation, or you can visit brazenlegal.com/contact to reach me there. It's been a while since I've provided you with an update as to what is happening with immigration reform, so I'm doing so in this video. As a reminder, President Biden formally introduced his immigration reform bill called the U.S. Citizenship Act back in February, but this bill is very unlikely to pass because the Democrats and the Republicans can't seem to agree on what to keep and what to throw out. But another bill, the American Dream and Promise Act, that passed the House back in March. And as a reminder, that bill provides a pathway to U.S. citizenship for people with DACA, people who came to the United States before they turned 18. It also provides a pathway to citizenship for people that have temporary protected status, as well as delayed enforced departure. Another bill that also passed the House in March is the Farm Workers Modernization Act, which would also provide a pathway to U.S. citizenship for agricultural workers. Over the past few months, there has been some discussion around at least the American Dream and Promise Act, but not much action has been taken. Part of the reason for this is because the Senate Democrats have been considering including immigration reform in their reconciliation budget. And as of this week, it appears that they've done just that. Many media outlets are reporting that the Senate Democrats have introduced immigration reform in this bill. And specifically, it would include a pathway to citizenship for people that have DACA, TPS, delayed enforced departure, as well as farm workers. And also, President Biden has indicated that he does support this. It's not very uncommon for immigration reform to be included in other budget proposals. For example, back in December 2019, the Liberian Refugee Immigration Fairness Act was included in the National Defense Authorization Act for fiscal year 2020, and this allowed people from Liberia to apply for a green card if they apply before December 20th, 2021. Passing immigration reform through a reconciliation budget obviously isn't the preferred method. We would love for Congress to do its job and just pass legislation and update our very old immigration laws. But it is still a decent option, especially because passing immigration reform in this way only requires a simple majority, whereas if Congress were to consider the American Dream and Promise Act or the Farm Workers Modernization Act, those two acts would require a supermajority. Some Senate Democrats state that if this were to pass, we could see immigration reform in as little as 4 months. So we'll see what happens. But as always, I'll always keep you posted on any updates that I hear. In the meantime, I want to share with you that in honor of Brazen Legal's birthday, for a very limited amount of time until 11:59 p.m. on July 22nd, we are offering a promotion for our legal services. If you would like to apply for temporary protected status, or you are in the United States and you would like our assistance in applying for a green card without leaving the US, I encourage you to go to brazenlegal.com/shop to take advantage of this amazing deal that I want to offer you, really as my thank you for supporting my law firm since 2014. I wouldn't have made it this far without you, so thank you so much for your continued support. I hope you found this video helpful. Please share it with anyone you think could benefit from this information. If you're not already, please hit the bell so that you can subscribe to this channel so you get all the latest immigration news and information. And also feel free to follow me on Instagram at Brazen Lawyer for a peek at my everyday life when I'm not lawyering. Thanks for watching.